This home is in excellent condition. I would actually buy it to live here if I didn't just buy a house. So.
Secondary locations. Also, I must have. Finding out if what we've got.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually starting in the field. I got Mr. Benjamin opening the door back here. As you guys saw when we drove up, we're actually in a gated community. So when we buy homes, a lot of times they're not in bad condition. It's just every seller has a different motivation. So a realtor brought us this lead, and I'm gonna break it down for you guys and give you all a quick update of some of the other things that have been going on in our business, because we're busy as hell, but it's a good thing. All right, so like I was saying guys, a realtor buddy that we've bought a couple houses from brought us this deal from, I think it's another wholesaler. We had to get really creative. Originally they were asking $330 for this home, and it's in excellent condition. Homes actually are selling at $400 and above here, but he doesn't, I guess, have a big buyer's list, or what, for whatever reason he couldn't sell it. So we made an offer of like $275 just to see what happened. He kept coming back, so we ended up agreeing on $290. We're gonna close on this one, and we're literally just gonna turn around and relist it. And I'm gonna give you guys a walk around just so you can see, like, this home is in excellent condition. I would actually buy it to live here if I didn't just buy a house. So let's take a look though. All right guys, so when we walk in here, big open eating area, or you could set up a desk. Stairs that go up top. We'll go into the kitchen here. Now this is the thing, like, very nice cabinets. It's just a little dated, right? This is probably like when they built it, because this home is probably about 15 years old. So obviously it needs some granite, update appliances, but it's not terrible. These cabinets are really nice. Just a new backsplash, but the walls are painted gray. This tile's a little hideous, but I mean, there's no need to change things whenever we have comps that are selling in almost like identical condition, or not even as nice. Master downstairs, this is a huge plus. People love when the master is downstairs. And you know, same thing with the bathroom. It's just a little dated, but I mean, flooring's still nice. Big tub, big shower, private toiletry area, big closets that go back and around. Real quick though, this is downstairs, so this is actually like an office area that could be another bedroom. Technically it has a closet, so it would be considered a bedroom. Another full bath down here. Garage, and this is obviously the laundry area. But really nice condition, but let's go take a look upstairs. Some interesting art. Big open, this could be a game room. And then we have the other bedroom, so, or another full bath here. Bedroom, bedroom, so 4 bedrooms total, and 3 baths. So very huge home, gated community. It's ridiculous, to be honest. We were supposed to close on Monday. The guy died on Sunday. Like, you can't make this shit up.
And then when you tell people that someone died, really? No, they're really fucking dead.
Outside of the house, guys, we got Chris here who brought us the deal. And the only thing that's really bad is this condenser. It's not terrible, but it's definitely old.
This on the outside. Yeah. So you can get locked out of the game house.
How many real estate investors does it take to lock a door?
2.5.
And a half. First thoughts of the new house, because you haven't even seen it.
Very nice house. Like, literally, I would move into this. It's kind of mind-blowing that this is a potential, or this is a deal for us. Like Derek said, you know, we don't only buy fucked up fixer-uppers. But yeah, this will be a first for us. I'm very excited. Could be a decent quick bag.
Quick. All right, guys, so that's it for this house right here. Chris is about to take off. We're gonna run to 5th Ward, check on the Airbnb projects and give you guys an update, because it's been a couple weeks, but we've had a lot of stuff going on. But it's we're definitely making progress, so that's all that matters. But let's go take a look.
Gravitational pull towards the urchin. Leveraging and experience. Their identity was a failure to survive. And not enough on designing and constructing the
All right, so now that I've got mud all over me, let's get an update of what all has been happening here at the Fifth Ward property. So as you guys can see, we are working on the back deck. I'll show you the front. We're working on the front deck. We actually have a beautiful new fence. So we actually have a backyard so we can stop some of the theft. We have updated some things on the inside, which I'll give you guys a walkthrough right now just so you can see. All right, so on the inside here, we have walls, guys. Like, they haven't been taped and floated in yet, but it should be done by the end of the week. But as you can see, we actually have walls. So the house is finally coming together. Feels like we're making progress. We're gonna look in here. We have to make some changes. This closet, we thought we were gonna have room for it, but based on putting a queen bed in here, we're not. So we're gonna keep the small closet. We're gonna get rid of this closet. And yeah, we got everything else drywalled up, and yeah, making progress, guys, making progress. The homes are finally coming together. Big open master, the bathroom is framed up. We just gotta make some changes in here, get some hardy backer so it's waterproof, fill in some holes on the floor. And then next we can start working on flooring and getting trim and doors hung. All right, guys, so like I said, we've had a ton of updates. Things are moving along. We're making progress. However, we are getting to the end of our loan, so we're gonna probably have to pay a point or something to extend the loan. You know, with the permitting and everything, the theft, the freeze, like, you guys have been with me through the journey. But I mean, look at how beautiful these babies look right now. I mean, they're coming together. They're our twins, bro. We literally are treating them like kids, because we plan to hold these properties forever and buy more in the area. As you can see, there's one abandoned over there, the vacant lot next door. But you know, this is just something to think about when you guys are getting in the business. Nothing is ever going to go as planned, but you have to adapt and overcome. All right, guys, so we've made it back to the office. I just wanted to give you all a quick update on the other properties that we have going on. The Cypress Amato deal, it's mid-construction. We should be through with it in a week or two. The Oak Leaf, the dog poop house, it's actually sold already. It sold above asking. We are originally gonna list that house for $185,000. We had some comp show up in the 230, so we listed for 220, and it actually sold for 230. It appraised and everything. So we should be closing that one out in a couple weeks. That's a big win for us, which is we're gonna take that money and propel it into, you know, the hoarder house, which we haven't started yet. And then we've actually picked up 4 more flips, including the one that you saw earlier. So we have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of content coming. As you guys can see, I'm in my office. This is all about to get painted to be a nice backdrop so I can start dropping more real estate content. But I appreciate you guys kicking it with me. Until next time, peace.